Hello and welcome to Cooking So-So Food. I'm Anas and that's Yunus behind the camera. We are brothers who like cooking in the random places. And this is not my usual way of speaking. We like to cook in random places because we think it's more fun. And we hope that these short videos of 10 minutes or so, hopefully less, can bring you a happier time in your miserable life. Goodbye. I'm going back because I like it in there. Bye. Don't follow me. Follow us. I'm back again. Oh, you can't see me. Here. Hello. Are you following us? Subscribe. You're still not seeing us. Hello. It's me. I'm going back again. See you. Follow us. Don't follow me.